y'all, welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome to Vlogmas day 8. It is my birthday eve, because my birthday is tomorrow, which is the 9th. Woo! And it's currently snowing outside, so we probably ain't gonna have no plans. Probably won't have school tomorrow. Supposed to have school today, but we didn't have it because it's snowing. But yeah, what we got planned today is I'm probably gonna clean up a little bit, so I might show that in the vlog. Probably will show that in the vlog, actually. I gotta sweep the floor. Hey kids, thanks. So, of course the kids are here, as you hear me trying to talk to them and correct them. But anyways, I'm probably gonna sweep the floors. I might mop them, I don't know yet. But I'm just gonna get stuff organized.
Yeah, it makes that.
And then one of my sisters, my bestie girls, she bought the kids, bring them here. She bought the kids some candy cane, like with the candy in them. And she was so sweet enough and kind enough to bring them, what is this? Santa Claus holiday cookies to decorate. And she also bought them
The gingerbread.
You can show it.
Oh.
The gingerbread houses to make, which that was so nice of her. I love you down, girl. Thank you for looking out for my kids, because you know they probably been fucking my nerves today. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and cook some breakfast real quick. It is currently 11:36. We got up kind of late because
11:37.
7. Okay, 11:37. Because we got up late. Because, you know, they didn't have school. And I didn't have school, so why not? And then I was talking to her for a while. So, yeah, I'm about to go ahead and cook some breakfast. Yeah, and Genesis, I guess, some more to help. I'm only cooking eggs. Because, I don't know, do we have sausage? Hold on, let me go look. So, we do have, like, fresh sausage. And it's spicy sausage. So, I might cook some of them. Pat them out and cook them. So, yeah, I'm going to cook that and some eggs. And yeah, we got waffles if they want some, or like cooks for them. But yeah, that's basically my day. So yeah, just come along with your girl. And I hope y'all are real proud of me for being consistent. Okay? I need a clap on the back. Clap on the back. But anyways, yeah. These are the little candy canes that my girl bought them. And she bought a Hershey one. But yeah, thank you, girl, if you're watching. Thank you. Love you a long time. But let's get into it. Like this. No, you stay like this. Like you beating the egg. The kids love to eat. Mainly her.
Wait! Locked it.
Y'all, I'm in complete shock and awe. I cook breakfast, or Genesis helped me cook breakfast, right? Don't y'all believe, can y'all believe the kids is actually sweeping the floor and trying to clean up? What they up to? What they up to? I know what they up to. They want to do them gingerbread houses and them cookies. That's what they up to. But look at them. They is actually doing, look, Junior over there sweeping the floor. Look at them. Working hard. And then look, Genesis over there sweeping the floor. Y'all. What is they up? They is really trying to try, ain't they? I ain't mad at them though. Shoot. I was over here finished eating my breakfast. Well, they said, I'm gonna go ahead and sweep the floor. I'll sweep the floor for you. What? Clock that. Here you go, Jalen. Look at her. She inside a box, y'all. Jalen, you inside a box. Yeah. Y'all. I know what to get her for Christmas. A box.
She said she wanted a pink box.
She said she wanted a pink box. You want a pink box, Jalen?
Yeah.
Not a pink box. Easy peasy. Yep, I'll come back and let y'all see what these gingerbread houses look.
Pink that.
I'll come back. Let y'all see. They excited. They didn't look. They didn't even clean off the counters. Okay, they didn't clean it all. The counter is. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Look, they didn't clean it all, honey. They are ready for these gingerbread houses and cookies.
No, you want to clean it all because you don't want that gingerbread to get dirty.
Yeah, that's why you cleaned it out, because you wanted to build them. They ready, y'all. They are ready.
We're not ready yet.
Yeah, not yet. Getting ready. Yeah. Then look at little Elfie. I ain't show y'all this.
That's what I did.
Let me try to zoom in on it. Hold on. Uh-oh, don't look at it, y'all. But look at little Elfie. Look at him. Up on the Christmas tree chilling. Look at him.
That's what I did.
Genesis did that. Alright, so it comes with the gingerbread house. The gingerbread house. Got the little sprinkles, I guess. The icing. What else we got? Let me see. Little ball. I don't know what these are.
Those are candy.
Little gumdrops. Wait. And they come with the red icing. And they come with little labels. Just gonna label it. Yeah. Cool. So we just put this stuff in the bowls, plastic bowls, paper bowls.
Ooh, we can eat this.
Let me see. I might can open it without cutting it. I already got a split in it.
Will you eat those?
We're not eating this. No, we're not eating it.
They're my favorite. Oh, what it is so bad. All the candy.
You can always get like extra candy, but we're not doing all that. This is gifted to us on this snow day. So, yeah.
Oh, open these.
Wait. Just wait.
You have to make that.
Yeah, let's make it first before you try to decorate it. Okay?
I don't want to make it. What is this for?
Oh Lord, it's coming out.
Mom, you going cheese?
Maybe later.
Oh, we just messed that up. Mama, this is the oil.
Well, look at her gingerbread house.
Wait, let me show you.
No, take it back over there.
What? Let me show you.
Yeah. Nice.
The Santa house. This is the Santa house, and this is the bake. So,
Nice.
Yeah.
So chic.
and
So
wait,
yours. What's up, y'all? I am back. This segment of the video is gonna probably be the end of the video because we about to head on out. We about to go to Sheets to get us something to eat since it's been snowed. We about to walk up there. So I'm gonna take you guys along with us as we go.
hey, I see.
You okay, Stink? Go ahead, walk. Huh?
I didn't get my boots.
Your boots?
I didn't get them.
Yeah, you didn't get them. So yeah, we didn't clean the truck off, so we're just gonna walk up here, which is right before you get to our place. So yeah, it won't take long for us to get there.
It's not far away.
And the kids, they love just to walk in the snow.
It's like a blizzard, all the snow.
And it's still snowing out here. We're gonna follow Delita.
Ooh, it's a whole lot now.
Yeah, it's like a lot of snow out here. We probably got like 3 to 5 inches. I feel like we didn't got about. How many inches, boo?
Mommy, we want a whole lot this morning though.
Let me show y'all. Yeah, and it's still falling, so. Who? Who almost slipped? He did?
Yeah, I said.
Well, so yeah. We walking in the road at the moment. Dang, I got my boots on. My feet got cold already. See y'all see that? It's still falling.
I can tell.
Yeah.
There's gonna be a whole lot of snow.
Yeah, it's still falling. And tomorrow's my birthday, so thanks.
You might do something for your birthday.
Huh?
I'm gonna surprise Mommy with something.
With what?
Tomorrow's my birthday, and yeah, this is the second time it didn't snow. Either on my birthday
She already took her snow
or
picture.
around my birthday.
I did see your picture.
Yep. I'll be the big 32.
Look at that clean snow right there.
I'll talk to y'all when I get the sheets, so. Alright? Alright.
Mom.
So yeah, y'all, I know I haven't made it to sheets yet, but it's still snowing. The temperature is still dropping. I think in the morning, it don't supposed to be no more than like 10 degrees.
That can't be possible.
Get over here, y'all.
Mom, that can't be possible.
Come on, go to the sidewalk.
Why summer?
Cause it's basically freezing. Sorry, y'all, I gotta yell at the kids sometimes. They ain't paying attention. Dang, how they driving? They can't even see. Dang.
What?
Hey, y'all.
Hey.
It's like we walking in the blizzard. Marl in the back.
He's boring too.
Yeah, Marl's in the back.
I told y'all it was a
All right. This time I'll talk to y'all when we get to sheets. All right, we made it to sheets. Don't hit the car, y'all. Good old sheets. There we go. Alright. Some food. You want a platter?
Mom, I don't order this.
Alright, so y'all, I did not know Sheets had hot chocolate, pepper and hot chocolate. So I got me some pepper and hot chocolate. Yes. Alright, y'all, so we made it back to the house. And Junior and Jalen, they both got hot dogs. Jalen got hot dogs with ketchup. He got hot dogs with ketchup, mustard, and pickles. And Jennifer's got a pizza. And I got some quesadillas. Oh, and I got a hot chocolate. Hot chocolate right here. And I got some mics. Yeah, because you be celebrating my birthday, okay? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Mom, this bus right.
What's good? Alright, so thank y'all for tuning in to this vlog. Vlogmas Day 8. Stay tuned to Vlogmas Day 9, which is my birthday.
3, 2, 1. I wanna say happy birthday to you, to you. I wanna say happy birthday to you. Close your eyes, make a wish, think about it, and blow out the candle. Close your eyes and make a wish, think about it, and blow out the candle. Happy birthday to you, to you. Oh,
To me.
Happy birthday
To me. All right, I'll see you tomorrow on my birthday. As always, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and get engaged with your girl. Okay? As always, thank you for watching. I love you. And have a good night.
Stay tuned.